Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is a recipe for an eggless chocolate cake with a chocolate ganache frosting. It is a single layer cake with a rich chocolate flavor and a moist and tender crumb. A delicious snacking cake. The kids will love it with a tall glass of cold milk, while adults might prefer it with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Do try out this recipe and let me know your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the recipes with your friends and families. So let's start. Into a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Whisk or stir together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt, and make sure that everything is well mixed. Now add 1/3 cup of melted butter, that is 75 grams of melted butter, one teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix well. Add 1 cup of warm water, half teaspoon of coffee extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, and mix well. Mix all the ingredients together until well blended. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and place the oven rack in the center of the oven. Butter or spray an 8-inch, that is 20 cm square baking pan with a non-stick cooking spray, or line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper or butter paper and pour the cake batter in the prepared tin. Tap the cake tin twice to release the excess air bubbles and bake in the preheated oven for about 45 to 60 minutes, or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Take 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of butter, heat the cream and butter in a medium-sized saucepan over medium heat. Bring just to a boil. Take 170 grams of chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl or in a medium-sized stainless steel bowl and pour the cream over the chocolate and allow to stand for a few minutes. Stir until smooth, then let stand at room temperature until the ganache has completely cooled and set to a spreading consistency. Remove the cake from oven and place on a wire rack to cool for 10 to 15 minutes before removing the cake from the pan. Run a knife around the sides and demold the cake and let it cool down. The ganache has now come to a spreading consistency. Once the cake has been cooled, spread the chocolate ganache on top and sides of the cake and using a spatula or spoon, spread it evenly on the sides and cover the whole of the cake with this ganache and garnish with some sugar crystals or chocolate sprinkles and enjoy the cake with a hot cup of tea or coffee. But this is not absolutely necessary. If you like, you can just dust the top of the cake with a little powdered sugar or cocoa powder and serve it on its own or with whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream. This is a single layer cake with a rich chocolate flavor and a moist tender crumb. This is a delicious snacking cake. The kids will surely love this. Do try out this recipe and let me know your feedback. And please do subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload new videos. See you with more videos. Until then, bye bye.